In this video, we're going to focus on some amazing settings that will optimize your iPhone photo taking experience, which will result in stunning photos. So let's jump into it. Now, the first setting I wanted to talk about is the grid. Enabling the grid will help you to center your photos even better, which seems like a small detail but can really have an outstanding effect on the outcome of your photo. To turn on the grid, you're going to want to go to your iPhone settings, select camera, and toggle on the grid option. Along with the grid, you may want to enable this level option to make sure your shot is level and centered at the same time. Now let's dive into the ProRaw feature, available on some iPhones, so you may want to check and see if your iPhone supports this feature. But anyways, this advanced format allows you to capture photos with the highest level of quality. To enable ProRaw, you're going to want to go to your iPhone settings, select camera, select formats, and then toggle on the ProRaw option if it's available. Now you can capture your photos with all of the details preserved, which will give each photo a unique effect. ProRaw is perfect for those who want to take their photography skills to the next level and to have full control over every aspect of their photos. Another advanced setting to explore is the night mode. This feature allows you to capture stunning low light photos with incredible detail and clarity. To activate night mode, you're going to simply open your camera app, and if your iPhone detects low light, it'll automatically enable this feature, but you can also manually activate night mode by tapping on the icon. Night mode works by capturing multiple images at different exposures and using advanced algorithms to merge them into one well-exposed photo, which is amazing. And there you have it. We've covered some advanced settings to help you take stunning photos like these with your iPhone. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my future content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.